Hi darling, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Dami. If this is your first time of seeing this beautiful, amazing, godly created face, you're so much welcome. Please, on this channel there's a lot of love to go around, so kindly stick around. Now before you go ahead to watch the video of how I created this beautiful look, give me 1 minute of your time and hear what I have to say. So this is a new channel. My name is Damilola. I have a channel here on YouTube in case you've seen this face before. So I have to drop that channel because the channel hasn't been doing well, and I understand what happened with the channel. I was away for quite a while on YouTube last year for like 6-7 months due to the fact that I was pregnant and I couldn't cope, I couldn't film as I used to, as I'm supposed to, as I'm expected to. So things went down for that channel. It wasn't doing too well. After I came back, I started uploading videos and all, but YouTube algorithm isn't favoring me anymore, isn't favoring the channel anymore. So I spoke with my friend Estelle, and I just want to take this moment to say thank you, Estelle. God bless you. I love you, sweetheart. So I spoke with her, we rubbed minds, she advised me, I listened, and we came up with the idea that I should just start afresh on YouTube, start a new channel. So here I am, starting a new channel and showing my beautiful face to all of you. What's this new channel going to be about? I'm not going to drop being a makeup freak, being a makeup lover. No way, I will not. So yeah, number one, it's going to be all about beauty. As you can see, I'm serving face. I'm serving a face like, baby, forget, I'm serving this yummy face and I'm loving it. So yeah, beauty, then fashion, and after fashion we'll be talking about the other room matter. Let me just put it like that, the other room matter. Now if you're not Nigerian, you're here. Other room matter is adult something, adult man, woman, something. So it's other room matter. So I'll be using the word other room matter. Because of YouTube, I don't want a situation whereby somebody will come later in future and tell me something's wrong with my video. I've said something and they will say the video is not. So let's just call it the other room matter. So I'll be dishing out beautiful content. This is something I do, like I earn money from it for a living. So I'm going to be dishing out beautiful content for you guys. Please guys, just relax, subscribe to this channel. You're going to be seeing a whole lot, you're going to be learning a whole lot, we're going to be enjoying each other, and also I'll be bringing you guys into some areas of my life. So I'm going to be doing that via vlog. So yeah, that's what I want to take your time for, guys. So now you can just relax, get a cup of wine, get a snack or something, and enjoy watching the video of how I created this look. To moisturize my face, I'll be going in with my Cetaphil face moisturizer. Now to prime my face, I'll be going in with my Rimmel Stay Matte primer. Now for my foundation, I'll be going in with my Juvia's Place foundation in the shade Lagos. To highlight my face now, I'll be going in with my Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, as well as my Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade 13. Then I'll be blending this out first before applying the second concealer. Now I'll be taking the second concealer shade, which is the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 13. This is bright. So for this concealer, I'm going to wait a little bit for it to dry down, then I'm going to blend it out afterwards. So while that is drying, I'm going to move to the rest of my face, which is for me to now contour my face. So to contour my face, I'll be using a powder that is 2 shades darker than my skin tone. I'll be taking the sponge I use in applying my foundation to just blend out the edges so that we don't have any harsh line whatsoever. Now it's time to set this concealer I have on my face. So I'm going to go in with my sponge. Now just blend that out once again. Just pressing that into my skin. Now to set the rest of my face, I'll be going in with my Milani Compact Powder in the shade Warm. And this is it. So to slightly contour my nose, I'll be using that same powder shade, my Milani powder. Now my face is almost done. I'm going to move on to my brows, and I'll just quickly like draw my brows now. Now guys, we're moving on to the eyes, and I'll be priming my lid with a P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 04. So guys, for my shadow, I'll be going in with my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and in the palette I'll just be using only 2 shades from the palette. I'll be going in with this brown shade right here and this orange shade. So the brown shade will be going all over my lid. So I'm just tapping that shade in. I'm not brushing, just tapping it in. Now I'll just be taking a more fluffier brush, and I'll be taking little of that brown shade, tapping off the excess, and just use that to blow this out gradually. Now for the orange shade, I'll be putting it in my inner corner and I'll be taking it a bit upwards. That's right there. Now I'll just be using that brush I used in blending out that brown shade and just blend this out further. Now I'm just going to set my brow bone. Here I'm just taking out that brown shade to smoke out my waterline. So I decided to do my lashes off camera because this makeup is taking the next thing I'll be doing now is put on my blush, and for my blush I'll be going in with that orange shade from the Zulu palette. I'm loving this rose gold shade from that same palette, so that is what I'll use for my highlight. Moving on to the lips. To line my lips, I'll be using this random eye pencil. It's a brown eye pencil. And I'll be topping that with my V Beauty lip color in the shade Wando. To brighten up the center of my lips, I'll be going in with my concealer, and that Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 15. And for this, I'll be using my finger. I think I want to like top this lip up with a gloss, and for that I'll be going in with my Juvia's Place and Vanessa lip gloss in Legit Nude. We've come to the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed creating this beautiful, amazing, all glammed, all set, yummylicious look with me. So if you stayed up to this very moment, thank you so much. Remember, don't leave this channel without subscribing. Like this video, drop a comment for me in the comment section below. I have things to deliver for you people. Drop a comment what you like from me, what you want me to just, you understand, I'm here for you. We are going to vibe all through this 2021 on this channel. I'm going to be dishing out some things, guys, and you don't want to miss it. I'm repeating, you don't want to miss it though. So remember to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.